Music Stand app by WorshipTools, admin-level users can add music for their team to view from a variety of different sources. These sources include SongSelect, PraiseCharts, custom ChordPro, and PDFs from your own computer. Before we dive into it, if your church or ministry has a CCLI SongSelect account and/or a PraiseCharts account, you can connect to them in Music Stand by going to the Settings page. For this demonstration video, I have both connected to my WorshipTools account and will be drawing materials from both. What you have access to will depend on what your church has purchased. Now back to the demo, I have an empty service pulled up right now, so we'll add a song to the set list. When I click Add Song, it brings up a search filter and these different source options. I want to add Phil Wickham's House of the Lord, so I'll go ahead and type that into my search box. Since I'm currently on the SongSelect tab, it will pull up SongSelect results, but if I want to view the PraiseCharts version, I just need to tap the PraiseCharts source. Here you'll notice that there is a check mark next to certain PraiseCharts listings. The check mark indicates that your church has purchased materials for this song in PraiseCharts. If there is no check mark, you will be prompted with an option to go and purchase from the PraiseCharts website. Since we're looking at PraiseCharts results, I'll go ahead and select House of the Lord since my church already owns it. That will load the song into my set list and throw it into the viewer. So that all looks good, but let's say I change my mind and I actually want the chords from SongSelect instead. So what I need to do is get to the Source Selector, and to do that I'm going to click on the title of the song from the top of the page, and then on the following dropdown tap the current source, which is PraiseCharts. The following page lists out all the sources of music that my church has saved or imported for the song in our library. For this particular song, it looks like my church has materials from SongSelect, PraiseCharts, as well as customized ChordPro. You can add more sources or upload your own attachments by using this Add button in the corner. One thing to note here, the SongSelect source represents SongSelect's original chord file as it appears on their website. If you are a SongSelect Premium user and have access to their ChordPro files, you're probably familiar with the option to edit and customize ChordPro. If you have made any edits to the ChordPro or typed out your own, you'll want to select ChordPro as your source instead of SongSelect. Lastly, there is a key filter here which you can use to organize your materials. By default, it will be set to the key that you have for this song in the context of this service, but you can tap and change it to another key to view materials in other keys. Let's go ahead and finish out this demonstration. Since I came here for the SongSelect file, I'll go ahead and select that as my new source, and Music Stand will then take me back to the viewer with the new SongSelect source loaded. With the Source Selector, each member of the team can easily select the materials that are relevant to them. For example, vocalists can view the uploaded vocal sheet PDFs, while pianists can pull up the piano scores from PraiseCharts. Lastly, guitarists can view the ChordPro charts. Again, what you have access to will largely depend on what your church has purchased. And that's pretty much it for the Source Selector. If you'd like to learn more about Music Stand or any of our other apps, be sure to check out our website, visit our support docs, and join our Facebook user group. Links are in the description below.